Hello, travelers. I'm Wheelchair Jimmy, and I'm rolling through Las Vegas today, right down on Las Vegas Boulevard on the Strip at the Luxor Hotel and Casino. This is a very wheelchair accessible hotel casino. When you roll in here, there is valet or self park. I did the self parking, and frankly, it was a long way to get to the registration desk. A couple doors, elevators, just a long way with a suitcase, and so I would recommend a valet park at this particular hotel casino. When you do come in, it's a large casino, very accessible throughout with wheelchair accessible restrooms. All the casino, the restaurant, the bars, everything is very wheelchair friendly. They have 4,400 rooms at the Luxor. They have 91 wheelchair accessible rooms and 37 roll-in showers. Now the rooms here were very spacious, and the bathrooms were very spacious, very accessible, beautiful tile, extra counter space. The roll-in showers, however, were not very well designed. If you sat on the pull-down seat, you really cannot reach the shower controls. Now in the casino itself, it's connected via the tram to a couple other facilities, to the Mandalay Bay Resort and the Excalibur. Very easy to get to. You take the elevator up, you roll into the tram. Very easy for a wheelchair on and off. Everything's free. The trams run every couple minutes, and a great way to see other facilities in Las Vegas. On the WHR index, well, the Luxor, they get a 4. They are very wheelchair friendly. It's a very spacious facility. Roll on, America.